Let's see if the Frontier turns as easy as I've always said it does. You can turn it sharp all the way, turn it all the way. I'll tell you what, keep going back. I'll tell you when to stop. Just keep going backwards, you're good. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there, hold it. All right, now roll forward and turn it as you roll forward. Let's see what kind of turning radius we got here. Oh yeah, that was easy. You're good. Just keep going. Keep. Oh yeah, I see it. This dagger. Yeah, go ahead and back up. No, you're good. Keep going forward. You're good. You're good. You're good. Solid. You're good. Well, hold it. There's one and there's another one. All right, go straight back. Yeah, there's one right here. I don't want to run over that little sucker. I don't think it'll hurt these tires, but is it stopping for you?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're not hitting the brakes.
Not at all.
All right, good. That's what we like. So it was working. It was working the whole time. Okay, I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if it was working or not, but so you're good. All right. And I noticed it made a big difference by not lowering the pressure. We didn't get any frame strikes today at all. I don't know, subscribers for a face reveal, sorry. Hill descent, all right. Little lights on, solid, yep. All right, so it's gonna get pretty hairy, but I think it'll do all right. Let's find out. Steep, steep, steep. Very steep right here. Can't tell on camera, but this is steep. Let's see if I can get to the side. I'm getting out of the way. All right. Yeah, keep your foot on the brake if you don't trust it. Yeah. You sure? There you go. Yeah, it works. It only works when you're going steep down. Nice. Oh yeah, perfect. Woo! Yeah. So you're not touching the brake at all. That's awesome. This is steep, man. This is super steep. Yeah, that's pretty good, man. It's doing just fine. That is steep too. It's steeper than it looks on camera. Nice. It does good, man. Hey, that Jeep didn't even make it up here. He turned around. He got scared. Come over this way, over this way. There you go. Nice. Perfect, perfect.
Spring?
No, it was just a tire turn to the right, sharp. Whoa. Now you could turn the switch off, and then come this way. It doesn't turn too good with the diff lock on. This was the low spot here last time, so get it built up. You're good. Keep going. All right, turn it to the right a little. Easy, slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow. Keep going straight now. Nice and slow, easy. Hold it. Keep going. Keep going. You're good. Keep going slow. Slow, slow, slow. Keep going, keep going. All right, you're good. Keep going. Perfect, dude. Those rocks work like a charm. All right, go straight. Just go straight on up. Go on up the riverbed, and we'll call it good. It's just getting a little dark. All right, perfect, man. Perfect. That was a good drive, man. Good driving.